Tajikistan's aggression has been continuing in the Batken region of Kyrgyzstan since the 14th of September. The Tajik side often accuses Kyrgyzstan of attacking, but the facts prove the opposite. The Politklinika media platform has determined through numerous verification methods that the aggression was initiated by Tajikistan. For example, armed Tajik citizens can be seen in these shots. According to the State Committee on National Security of Kyrgyzstan, there are also unidentified people in black clothes and beards. Judging by the fact that Tajik civilians were armed, they were already prepared for this. And in these photos, Tajik soldiers brought ordinary citizens to a stadium in the village of Boston. Later, videos of people without uniforms invading the territory of Kyrgyzstan and waving their flag began to circulate. A video was shared on social networks showing Tajikistan's flag being hoisted on the building of a Kyrgyz